Sorry. Ooh, cool. This time, Vic, I'm taping them. Man, that's wicked. Oh yeah, I am filming this. Oh, the poppers. Oh, wow. Ah. Wow. That is something. Oh, yeah. This is going to be so cool when I post this on Facebook. Or on YouTube.
On YouTube first, via Facebook.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't blame you. They're just so much fun to watch. Damn. I know, the colors are just gorgeous. Thank God Mother Nature gave us another clear night. Couldn't ask for a better night than this, right, Beth?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just wish the temperature was a little cooler, though.
It's cooling down.
What? Whoa. I don't even want to know.
That's what happens. Fire trucks and all the.
We're like right underneath the ash, you know. Dorian, I'm glad you didn't say I told you so too many times.
What?
I'm glad you didn't say I told you so.
I already said it once, nothing else.
Yeah. Well, how was I supposed to know that the tree, that some of them will be going up really high, all right?
We've been in many years, Beth. You should know that by now.
Ah,
All right, Beth?
I know, but you know me, I'm this stubborn.
But. Someone stop a little bit, okay, Beth?
Whoa!
Hey, next time, I should have a clearer spot.
All right, next time we'll sit under the tree, all right?
Even though it was shady, but we couldn't see the fireworks. See him standing up there, some of them are like you can't they go over the tree.
hurt.
I'm not saying close. I'm saying like in a clear spot where we can see it without.
We would have gotten hurt already.
There's open spots.
Ah, dang it.
It's right there.
Man, this thing is still filming. Wow is right. I can't wait to post this thing. I know. Yeah. Damn. I know. Dang, I think a piece of ash just fell on me.
What?
I think a piece of ash just fell on me. Or is that a bug?
Oh, bug.
That's why we didn't sit too close.
No, they wouldn't. That doesn't bug because it is really hot. All I was saying was
Whoa!
Not.
We would have gotten killed.
We would not have gotten killed, Jennifer.
If we're in the open, then
They
you
shoot the fireworks across the lake.
across the lake. That's what they're gonna do. Yeah, see, they're not here. Okay? They plan where they're gonna put them, where they're gonna park, okay? They want to shoot it where they do a test run, they know where they know the areas.
There goes the shriekers again. down in front. Whoa, that's a different one.
Okay.
Ah,
Why does someone's smile look inappropriate?
what?
Why does someone's smile look inappropriate? The way they're shooting.
Were you saying that they look like sperm, Dorian?
I can't. It's because it's written like tadpoles or one of those two. But
Okay.
Whoa.
I know, those boomers.
Yeah.
boom.
Damn.